Today, we're going to cook vegetable. First, we need...
Sugar.
It's not sugar, it's oil. Say oil. Oil. That's sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
And then, not yet, we need the garlic.
Garlic.
Where's the garlic? Garlic. What's this?
Garlic.
And then, we need the onion. Where's the onion, Rose?
Onion.
That's not onion. This is the onion. No, this is the onion. Here, thank you, Zoe. Okra. And then we need the tomato. Where's the tomato? Tomato. This is Peppa Pig's favorite. I need it. They say, pag madami daw, it's yummy.
Yeah.
To cover it muna. I said that's for later. You're kulit ha. It's hot talaga.
I get some blanket.
Oh no blanket, Kira. No blanket. No.
Yummy.
Siami, are you a bird? Ay, yan ang hilaw. Let it simmer a little. Bring that here. It's not allowed. So, then, we're going to put the, what's this?
Ay, Popsi, nasa lababo pala yun.
Sweet potato. What's this? Sweet potato. Potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Say, sweet potato.
Potato.
Make sure all the vegetables are washed. They are all washed. You wash it.
Okay.
Okay,
No, they already did. And then, pagka malambot na siya, doon natin nalagay yung iba. Panika,
Mami, iba mo.
patis. Wala tayo. Ganyan lang. Panika, other vegetable. Siguro we'll start muna with sitaw. The okra. Yes? I can carry you. Get your chair. Hindi siya magagat. So, gawin natin yung anong tawag dito? Ang pala na baby.
Baby.
Anong tawag nila dito? Tagalog? Ang pala yung Tagalog?
Padang ligaw.
Ang pala yung bagoong isda. Bagoong isda. Yung difference nila. This is bagoong. Say it. Bagoong. Say bagoong.
Oo na lang.
Hindi siya kita. Bitin ko.
Again, tubig na.
Look. It's hot ah. Everything's hot na. I think it's cooked na.
Wow. Oh, yun na. Oo, dami.
No. Tama na, ma'am.
Hindi mo maalat, ma'am.
Hindi.
Patingin mo.
Fail ako yung unang luto ko nito eh. Kasi nilagyan ko ng kalamansi. Kala ko kasi nalagyan siya ng kalamansi. Oh, no.
Mm.
Sarap
Okay
na.
na, ma'am.